how much the cash we can get at the time of redemption? Redemption value of debentures. Euro cash item. They want to redeem premium or par. Only par. One thing is that it's for how much is that? The price. 100 rupees. Price. Rupees. 100 per. As a debenture holder, you will get how much per debenture? Or you can get a share. With respect to share, how much the share price? 12 rupees. With respect to equity share, share price 12 rupees. But one debenture, how many shares company has to give? 15 is equal to what? But 120 growth also there. What the growth rate given? 3%. 40%. So 5% growth for how many years? How many years? 5 years. First year 120 year plus 5% add another. $120 add 5%. 32.3. Again add 5%. What? 38. 130. Again add 5%. 140. 6 total. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more 5. Again add 5%. 150. So here 5 okay. So 50 again 100 rupees share of that to 10 shares. Suppose per share value 15.3 into 10 is equal to 1. What is 50? What logical or Indian? Okay. So every year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, and year 5. Total. Okay, yes, 150. Sorry, so as the level, shall I repeat once again? As the level, which will you prefer? Will you get shares or will you get shares? So whichever is higher, therefore better to go for convert into shares so that we can get 150. Sorry, take the next one. Then one more category is there. What is the next category? What would be the cost of the debenture? Is it redeemable or redeemable? Cost of debenture. In formula of KD computation, 2 types are there. One is redeemable and one is irredeemable. This is redeemable. What is the formula for KD? KD is equal to interest into 100 minus rate plus 100 minus NP by 100 minus NP by. We have an interest in terms of base. So interest, what is the interest rate? 15 into 100 minus rate. So 100 minus the remaining how much? 60% on 50 is equal to 91 plus RB represents what? Originally 100 rupees. Now it's become 153 minus NP, net process of almost it. At the time of issuing any information is there. Nothing is there in what? Say this one go that's a point. For only RB minus NP 100 divided by 5 years divided by RB 153 plus NP 100 divided by 2 But we have to express in terms of percentage. Understood? This is 16.08 or 60. Yeah. Clear? Shall I repeat once again? Very comfortable. Understood? So, which one you have learned now? Cost of convertible.